Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So as many of you is try to download something from Google and the message appeared the download failed in Chrome in Windows PC. So we will fix it today. So let's start. So firstly you have to go the Windows security. So just you have to just type Windows security in search bar, and then you have to just go to the Windows security, and in Windows security you have to just go to the virus and threat protection, and at here you have to just go to the virus and threat protection settings, and at here you have to just click on manage settings, and at here in these settings you have to just turn off both of these options like real-time protection and cloud delivered protection. It should be turned off. You can also turn off this option as well. So by doing this your issue will be fixed, and after this you have to just download again, and if the download will not work again the issue comes is download failed. So you have to just move to the second step, which is basically Google Chrome. So I'm already in the Google Chrome, so you have to just click on these three dots at the right top corner. So you have to just click at here and go to the settings, and in settings you have to just go to the privacy and security. Here it is. You have to just click on it, and at here you have to just scroll down and go to the security. Here it is, the second last option. You have to just click on this, and as you can see by default this option is selected as standard protection. So you have to just change it to no protection. You have to just select this option, no protection, and this turn off safe browsing option will appear. So you have to just click on turn off. So after this your issue will be fixed, and your downloading will start immediately. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.